This right here is one of the wildest boards to ever roll out of the 70s, the Sims outrageous 8-wheeler. Designed by Lonnie Toft, built for the steepest banks and deepest bowls, this thing was straight up ahead of its time. Now, what makes this board legendary isn't just the name, it's the setup. We're talking original tracker trucks, double stacked, giving it that unmistakable 8-wheel ride. More grip, more stability, and a whole different way to carve. The wheels, alligator wheels, bright green, pure 70s. Urethane goodness, made for speed and serious traction. And this specific board, this isn't just some random collector's piece. This one belongs to Rick Tetz, ex-Sims Pro and the guy behind CalStreets Border Labs. One of the few who actually rode for Sims back in the day and kept the culture alive. This setup has seen history, from backyard pools to legendary skate sessions, and it's still here, fully intact, ready to roll. Skateboarding was wild back then. No rules, no limits, just riders pushing the boundaries. And the outrageous 8-wheeler, it's a perfect reminder of that era, when innovation wasn't about pop and flip tricks. It was about taking skateboarding further than anyone thought possible. This board isn't just rare, it's a statement. And after all these years, it's still as gnarly as ever.